Morning frothers, it's Fish from the Gold Coast coming to you with your cryptocurrency report for the 8th of July 2017. It's about 9:30 here in Australia and the market's taken a pretty big hit. The overall market cap's down to 93 billion. Just checking, yeah, 93.5 billion. It's actually started to kick back a little bit from the last I saw it, so I think today's great buying. If there's any coin that you're really interested in, you've done your research and you think it's got great long-term potential, I'd say get in today. If you're new, you're interested in the crypto economy, I mean, you're probably going to make money if you decide to start your venture today. Something as simple as opening up a Coinbase account or any exchange, I don't have a favorite, and getting your fiats into the crypto economy is probably going to be good long-term investing and short-term investing today. Bitcoin's dropped below 2,500, just 2,498. I think it'll find support at 2,500. I think we're on our way to 3,000, potentially even 3,500 with a lot of the reports I'm reading, and seeing a lot more information come through on social media about the crypto economy. I think it's going to gain wider acceptance and we're going to see some pretty good price action over the next 6 months. Ethereum, again, it's dropped below 250. I said yesterday it could retrace back from 270 to 250. I don't see it going a whole lot lower. Could, but it's just too cheap. I mean, it's been up as high as 400 US, and it's still a platform that so many other coins are relying on, essentially. So I can't see it going anywhere. I can only see it gaining value in the long term. To me, great buying. Litecoin's making a good comeback. It took a heavy hit, down 11% in 24 hours, and it went right back down to $45. I'm just watching it kick back now at 46.39, so could be leading the recovery. That's certainly possible. The trade volumes have come up from 500 million at the lowest, and just a little bit to 539 million now. But if you recall, during the start of the week, those trade volumes for Litecoin were up around $1 billion. They actually surpassed both Ethereum and Bitcoin, so that could be an indication that the confidence is going to come back, and it's going to come back through Litecoin first, and then hopefully flow back into the rest of the crypto economy. So if you are interested, there are plenty of bargains today. I personally took some profits on some coins overnight. I was pretty lucky, had a few run up, and I've taken some of that profit and put it back into Pivex, Exclusivecoin and Clams. Why? Residual income, simple as that. Masternodes for Pivex and exclusive coins, and Clams are actually running a really cool system where they pretty much just draw a person out of a hat to run the transaction. So if you've got Clams and you've got a laptop that's sitting open and connected to the internet, you've got a chance of actually being paid for digging up Clams. Essentially, it processes through your computer and it's done randomly. So if you've got more Clams, you've got more chance of being chosen randomly. So yeah, I think it's really cool. I like the idea of getting dividends from shares. I always did, and I like the idea of getting a residual income from the crypto economy. So Masternodes and Clams with this reward system they've got, I think a really good long-term buy. That's where I've stacked in today. On the surf front, we've got really nice waves today. It's a beautiful day on the Gold Coast. That rain from yesterday's gone away and left us with some really beautiful weather. It's perfectly clear. We've got about 1 to 2 foot. I'll just have a quick look for you now. 1 to 2 foot. We've got east-southeast swell, and it's an east swell and west-southwest winds, so pretty good. It was a little straight at D-bar. Tide's starting to run out now, but there's been plenty of sand plonked down by that barge that's been running, so I reckon we could get some tasty little banks through there today, and I'm going to go have a little paddle soon. It's just coming off the high sort of 2 hours ago, so might slow down a little bit, but there's a 13-second period, so there's plenty of push behind those 1 to 2 footers. So that's my plan. I've already done my shopping, but I've spent up on Pivex, Exclusivecoin and Clams, and I'm going to go surfing and watch my money build over the next couple of days. It's my prediction anyway, and then coming into Monday when that professional money comes back in, I should really start to see some good gains. That's my hope, my plan, and you're welcome to make your own decisions. So have a great day, whatever it is you're doing, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. See you later, frothers.